Experience the unique blend of performance engineering and premium style with the Jordan Tranor LX White, reflective silver, and black, a training model crafted for modern athletes and sneaker fans. Designed to support multi-directional movement and light footwork, this pair delivers dependable stability through its thick, highly textured black outsole. The upper mixes white panels, black mesh, and synthetic materials, creating shifting shadows and rich visual depth with every angle. Its reflective silver Jumpman adds a clean highlight, while the woven strap from heel to instep gives the shoe its signature layered look. What makes this sneaker stand out is its monotone color theme enhanced by diverse textures, offering a refined yet powerful presence both on the street and during training sessions. The sculpted black reinforcements and subtle surface undulations elevate its futuristic appeal. Stylish, functional, and full of understated character, the Jordan Tranor LX is built to catch attention the more you look at it, perfect for viewers searching for the next standout Jordan release.